High-protein poke bowl with spicy Asian slaw. One of my favorite lunch on any hot summer days. In the slaw, I'm using cabbage, carrot, and red onion. Now for the slaw dressing, minced garlic, fresh lime juice. Instead of sriracha, I use gochujang, mayo of your choice, sesame oil, and black pepper. Mix in the spicy mayo together with the veggies and put it in the fridge. Now prepare the rest of the ingredient for your poke bowl. The beauty of a poke bowl. No cooking, everything from the fridge just plated in the bowl. A healthy nutrition meal doesn't take a lot of time. You should give it a try. I will see you next time.